Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by making the lens pristine and choosing the back camera. This is non-negotiable. Once done, enable macro if your iPhone offers it, otherwise use the 1x or 0. 5x setting and move closer slowly. You must lock AE/AF by tapping and holding on your subject. That prevents shifts. Make sure your phone is stabilized. Small clamps or a tabletop tripod work best. This combination prevents hunting and keeps detail sharp as you move into the shot. You now refine focus, lighting, and motion simultaneously. Move the phone within a narrow range, roughly 2 to 8 centimeters, to find the plane where the subject is razor sharp and adjust in tiny increments. Make sure lighting is soft from the side to reveal texture. Add a small LED or reflector at low power to avoid hotspots. Once the image is locked, prefer slight camera moves or a slider for interest. If needed, switch to a manual focus app to micro-adjust focus rather than relying on auto. You finish by recording at the highest resolution your phone supports, 4K preferred, and start with a steady push-in or hold for a static close-up. Avoid jerky motions. After recording, immediately review playback at full resolution to confirm focus and exposure held. If you spot drift or blur, stop, increase distance slightly, relock AE/AF, and try again. Cleaning the lens often fixes soft footage. That single troubleshooting tip, relocate and relock, solves most close-up.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.